For the flower, I'm gonna make magic circle, and into that magic circle I'm gonna put chain 1, single crochet. So that's 1. We need in total 12 single crochets. So close your loop and slip stitch to the very first single crochet. Don't finish it, but grab your contrasting yarn and finish that single or slip stitch. So chain 3 and into that same space double crochet. I'm going to be working over my tail, only the contrasting yarn, no, leave the other two alone. Now we have to do a treble crochet, so yarn over twice and then do 2 and then 2 loops on your hook again and 2 loops. Now make a double crochet, chain 3 and slip stitch into that same stitch. So that's 1 petal done. Now we're gonna skip the next stitch, which is right here, and slip stitch into the next stitch and repeat. So chain 3, make double crochet, triple crochet, double crochet, chain 3 and slip stitch into that same beginning stitch. Petal number 2, skip this stitch and move on to the next one, slip stitch in there, chain 3. So the sequence is chain 3, double crochet, triple crochet, double crochet and 3 chains, slip stitching back into the same stitch, and I will meet you at the end to show you how to finish. So I came to the end. I'm going to skip this stitch, slip stitch into the next one and make my last petal. Chain 3, slip stitch in there, and now we have our 6-petal flower. So I'm going to tighten the middle of my flower. So chain 1 and cut your yarn.